Alright, this is the, I don't know, what the hell do we want to call this thing? The Red Mantis 3, codename Death Machine. Alright, long story short, so people know where the hell this thing came from. Originally, I got this thing for fixing a TV for a guy. It originally was a bicycle. It had a motorized engine right there. Now it has that one. It's sitting over there. And all that crap. But with a lot of re-engineering, there are bicycle parts in this thing. Here, let me show you. There, right there, there. And the rest is a crotch rocket that I got. It's a little tiny midget crotch rocket that I got. It was like a kid's toy. That's where the red crap came from. A lot of work, a lot of reconfiguring, a lot of welding. This right here was from the crotch rocket, all reworked. This steel was actually from a very thick fence, and this is the original part of the crotch rocket. Galvanized plate. It's still in the Bondo phase. It doesn't have the motor mounts in it yet, as you can see. And that's why the motor's over there. This is a tomos, I think it's A50? Yeah, A something. But I got that lovely giant exhaust port there. It's still got a really big gear change though. I mean, gear ratio, you know. As you can see, this is a lot bigger than there. That's kind of gonna cut down my speed. But, this is pretty much it. I made this whole entire front end. My dad welded it up. I designed it. These shocks are from a bicycle. Kind of going with the whole bicycle theme. And those little bolts on the tires are for the speedometer that can only go up to 30. Up there is the gas tank. I have a lovely... Maybe I can get it out so you can see. That's the rest of the frame. Right there, the gas tank is actually inside. I might think of putting one down in there. I have the original motorcycle bike gas tank that goes inside. That mounts on, I mean. There's my speedometer. There is everything there. Yeah, I don't really know what to call this thing. It's half motorcycle, half bicycle, half a hell of a lot of fun and a pain in the ass at the same time. But other than that, this is pretty much it. It's a lot of my labor and work in Bondo, and I'm going to paint it soon. The frame's going to be black. The red's going to stay red. Just going to be a better coating of red. Car paint. And that's it. This is the Mantis Mark, whatever the heck I said. Reason why? Because this thing had a couple renditions. It was Death Machine for a long time, and then I turned it into a Mantis. And that is it, as you can see. It's using tomos tires. Basically, that's where all the tomos stops. The tomos engine and the tomos tires. And that's pretty much it. That's all she wrote. All I can tell you about the steering and the suspension. This came from the miniature crotch rocket. It's kind of kept with it. Plastic came from the crotch rocket. Only part that's from the crotch rocket is this back bit. All the rest is bicycle. It's from an actual separate bicycle here. If I recall, where I got this piece of tubing from was from, like, the seat used to go here, and I carved all that off. I know it's hard to tell. But that's pretty much it. I didn't really do anything other than that. I'm still waiting on the motor mount to be fabricated out of the thickest steel my dad possibly can have. Something around like this. That's what he did recently. Took time from his little project of making a giant radioactive smoker grill. Yeah, the thing's a beast. But this is pretty much it. This is the Mantis Mark whatever. Alrighty. Don't know how fast it goes. But, that's it. Peace out, YouTube.